So Wrangler already gives you access to all of your QuickBooks data, everything in the GL, all of the metadata you can access using Wrangler. That's what the Magic Report is. It's a series of columns that you can add in and remove and filters that you can apply to build a custom report. But with the Magic AI report, you can build it with natural language. So let me show you how this works. I very simply click this Edit SQL, SQL, structured query language, whatever you want to call it. It's the language that we use to get the data from our database. So let's say I want to say, hey, show me everything you've got for AWS, Google Workspace, and other subscriptions in 2026. I can just go ahead and ask it this, or I can enhance the prompt. So if you click this button, it's going to look at what you're trying to ask and think, hey, what else do they probably want? What else should we get here? So go ahead and click enhance. If I like the enhanced prompt, I can click yes, and I can run it, and that's going to go ahead and build me a query to get exactly that data from the database. So now it's gone ahead, it's built me this query, it's explained what it's done. You could take this SQL and edit it yourself. Once you click Run SQL, it'll generate the data for you automatically. Now we see the results. And one thing you'll notice is I actually don't have it as AWS. I have it as Amazon Web Services. So it's smart enough to understand exactly what I'm asking, right? We left this open-ended. In other software subscriptions. If you want to edit it more, you can go back to the Edit SQL box, give it some corrections, and if you're not, you can attach it to a workflow. Before we attach it to a workflow, I want to show you another example. So I'm going to create a new report here. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to say, show me all bills over 5K from Jan to June. I'm not going to enhance this, right? I'm just going to ask it in my crude way, and we'll see what it returns. So now it's asking me, hey, what year? You didn't specify. I'm going to say 2026. It'll go ahead and it'll do it. And sometimes you might want to chat with it, right? You can have this conversation and refine exactly what you're asking for through this window. Now it's done. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Run SQL. So here's my data sorted in descending order. But maybe I want to sort it the other way. Can you put the smaller bills at the top? Run it. Now it's going to adjust the query to account for your sorting request. Now it's sorted in ascending order, and you can edit it from here if you want to. So now let me show you how you attach this to a workflow so it'll automatically refresh in a Google Sheet for you every day. So all you're going to have to do, pick the Magic AI report, come here, select your view as you're used to doing, point it at a data store, and create a data store tab. So in this case, I'm just going to call it Cloud Spend AI Report. Go ahead and click Sheet tab, and it's going to generate it for you in a couple of seconds. And just like that, you have a live report ready that'll update every single day. If you want to tweak it in any way, you just head back, ask it in plain English what to change, and it'll update for you automatically.